What if I told you there's an affordable place in St. Anne where you can wake up in your own apartment, cook breakfast in your pajamas, and still be minutes away from all the island's best adventures? We're sharing the ultimate travel hack for exploring St. Anne. Picture this. You're rolling up to an apartment complex, complete with a sparkling pool and a game room for when you just want to chill. Here's what makes this spot special. They've got options for everyone. We're talking 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, even 3-bedroom apartments with full kitchens. Now, they've also got these cute studio apartments with a mini fridge and microwave. I stayed in the studio. Quick tip though, some of the studios don't have closets, so make sure you ask for one when you're booking. And hey, if you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and give that like button a gentle tap. It really helps us share these hidden gems with more travelers like you. Here's where it gets really good. The Clock Tower Guest House is sitting pretty in Discovery Bay, St. Anne. And if you know anything about Jamaica's geography, you know St. Anne is basically the sweet spot for exploring the island. You want to hit Dunn's River Falls? Easy. Mystic Mountain? Done. Green Grotto Caves? No problem. The Clock Tower Guest House also has free parking. The location is seriously wonderful because you've got restaurants and supermarkets nearby too. The rooms themselves, modern and up to date. None of that outdated furniture or questionable bedsheet situation. And the Wi-Fi is solid. What I love most about staying here is that it genuinely feels like you're living in Jamaica, not just visiting. And when you come back from exploring, you can just decompress by the pool, challenge your crew to some games in the game room, or cook up something in your full kitchen while you plan tomorrow's adventures. This is how you do Jamaica right. Comfortable, authentic. Look, I know there are a million places to stay in Jamaica, but if you want that perfect blend of home comfort and vacation freedom, especially if you're planning to explore St. Anne and the surrounding areas, Clock Tower Guest House is the best option. So if you found this helpful and you want more insider tips on the best places to stay, eat, and explore in Jamaica, make sure you hit that subscribe button and sign up for our newsletter.